So these are the new arrivals to IKEA store and they're very cool. I bought them for one feature and I've been surprised by others. So they are really realistic. These three are the three sizes available and they complement each other. So I bought one of each, right? This part of the candle, the flame part, doesn't move, but has a very cool feature when it's on, but on that a little bit later. So this runs on AA batteries. Okay, you have to unscrew the screw and put two AA batteries, okay, and they run forever. The thing that it has really cool is they have a timer. So when you press, like, you have the off button, the 3 hours button, and the 6 hours button. So if I turn it on now, it runs for 3 hours and then turns off. And tomorrow at the same time, so today at 1 o'clock, it will turn on by its own. So it's really awesome. Imagine, so you have a timer to start at 6 when you arrive at home, and you have the candles already lighting your home. So it's really cool, gets the home really cozy. And the other feature that it has is, as you can see, the flame, it's like pumping. So it gives that feeling of movement, okay? So it looks really cool. So I'm gonna turn it on the three of them and let them give ambience. And another thing, I bought them because they feel really realistic and it's really cool. So it's a nice purchase. They're not very cheap. I think they're a little bit on the expensive side, but once that you don't have to change them and they last forever, and a candle of this size costs probably almost the same, this is worth it probably. Then we have these. I bought two. The first one is like a tray. You have one bigger that has, instead of 4, 8 candles. This one has 4, and it brings a cable to charge, the manual, the warranty, and then you have, let me take out like this, and then has 4 candles, really small candles, and the tray, really beautiful tray. And the thing about it is that you don't need to remove the batteries, they charge. So you just put it on the tray. It's like magnetic, you can hear it. Okay, it's magnetic and it charges on its own. So the tray serves like a charging station. You can plug this like this, right here, right? And connect it. Leave it always connected, or just use the battery until it runs out and then you charge it. But it looks great and has a lot of similarities with these candles. They work the same. So let's turn on one. So as you can see, it's exactly the same system. Like, it pumps the light, so it seems like it's moving, and at night has a really cool feeling to it. And you can move them around. You don't need to have them in the tray. You just take them, put it where you want it, and when it doesn't have battery, you just put it on. Okay, this one I believe doesn't have a timer. Would be cool if it had, but it doesn't, I believe so. This one doesn't have battery, and this one has battery. And then you can buy more, and this set has 4 candles and is exactly that. So it's just the candles. So imagine if you have this set, you can have some charging, while you have the others in some places giving the mood and the light to your space. So this is it. It's a very quick video, but I think it's important to refer these kind of items. And if you like these kind of videos of new items that arrive to IKEA, like these ones, and that light that I already talked about, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to make more videos like this, because I love IKEA. I love to use their products. So for me, it's a win-win. I can purchase some new items and you be able to hear about them. So let me know in the comments below what do you think about these candles, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.